Let's go over this multiple choice question about ribosomes together. A cell with a predominance of free-floating ribosomes is most likely to... Before we actually get into the question, let's go over what predominance means. That means there's a large amount or just an excess of. Free-floating ribosomes. This might confuse students because free-floating is very specific. Free-floating means that these ribosomes are going to make proteins found within the cytoplasm. This is versus the rough ER that has ribosomes attached that make extracellular proteins. So our answer that we're looking for is something to do with the proteins found in the cytoplasm versus extracellular proteins. So A, producing hormones for export from the cell. Nope, that's from the rough ER, can't be our answer. B, synthesizing proteins for use within the cytosol. That sounds like our answer. Cytosol is another name for the cytoplasm. Let's look on to C, D, and E. C, packaging proteins into vesicles for secretion. Nope, rough ER. D, synthesizing antibodies for release outside the cell. So again, these are made by the rough ER. Nope. And then E, making membrane protein. This one's a confusing one, so we're down between B and E. Membrane proteins are going to be proteins found within the membrane of a cell. Even though they're still technically found within the cell, these proteins are going to be made, again, from the rough ER. So this can't be our answer, meaning that B is the right answer.